I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble unlocking your card on Visible, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Open the Visible app. Launch the Visible app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you're in the app, tap on the Account tab located at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select Card Management. In the Account section, look for Card Management and tap on it. This is where you can manage your card settings. Step 4. Unlock your card. Find the option that says Unlock Card and tap on it. Confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Check your card status. After unlocking, go back to the Card Management section to ensure your card status shows as active. If it still shows as locked, try restarting the app. If you follow these steps, you should be able to unlock your card without any hassle. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Visible support for help. Happy connecting!